best deal you will ever see. And standard equipment includes integrity. Get the #1 buy from the #1 guy, Dave White Chevrolet. Give us a try, and you will know why. Folks call Dave the #1 guy, 'cause it's a 4-generation family affair. At Dave White, they really care. Our service is tops, our selection won't stop until you found the right car. The folks who have say there's one thing they know: Dave White's the only way to go. Dave's reputation says it all for the #1 buy.
Hey guys, my name is Jacob Rhodes. I'm from Dave White Chevrolet. Today I'm going to talk about a 2020 Chevrolet Equinox. What you'll notice here is you do have the halogen lighting with now the daytime running lights that are LED lights, along with the fog lamps down below, and the traditional Chevy bow tie as well. Underneath the hood you will have a 1.5 turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, which is going to get great mileage, averaging anywhere from 26 to 31 miles a gallon, just depending on your driving habits. This model does come with keyless entry. You tap it one time for your door, double tap it twice for everybody else to get into the car. The model will come with 17-inch wheels that are a little bit bigger than standard. In the back as well as it will come with a backup camera and great storage space down here in the back, as well as an additional tire. When you wrap around, you'll notice that the fuel tank is on the driver's side, which is spring load. Press it, you don't have to worry about the cap anymore. Now after showing you all that additional space the Equinox has, you also can drop the seats down with a 60-40 split to create even more additional storage space for you. What you'll also notice in that second row is there is also 2 USB ports, which create additional charging stations for you and the rest of the family as well. Now you come to the driver's side here, you have the automatic lights, powered mirrors, power doors, power windows, and a few extra features as well as lane keep assist and front collision alert, as well as the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto feature, so again, navigation on an entry-level model. Thanks for stopping by today.